The new Linux and free software is very useful for teaching computer science because not only do you see what the software does, you also get to see how it does it. You also can figure out how to change it. You can figure out how to contribute to it. All of the source code for these different operating systems and libraries, things like that, are included with it. You have no licensing hassles to say, oh, you can only use the software for educational purposes, but you can't use the software for commercial or industrial purposes. You have no contamination issues where you say, oh, you saw the source code for this proprietary piece of product. You can't work on an additional system that has the same function because that's contamination. All of those disappear with free software.